What is breakthrough process improvement?
Breakthrough improvement is a methodology that incorporates vital improvements to the main areas of the business. It involves making significant, quantum leaps in performance by fundamentally changing the way processes work rather than making incremental improvements. It is a quicker and more intense method of improvement. The approach often requires rethinking existing work procedures and may involve innovative technologies or radical re-engineering of business processes.
Breakthrough improvement aims to achieve dramatic results in key performance indicators like cost reduction, speed, quality, and customer satisfaction.
Organizational breakthrough improvements are usually conducted by a few employees whose dedicated purpose is to come up with new ways of working and problem solving.
It is common for long-lasting and continuous problems to be solved through breakthrough improvement technique by dedicating time and effort into coming up with a solution for a designated time.
Breakthrough improvements can transform a business by increasing competitiveness, opening up new markets, or significantly reducing operating costs.
Breakthrough improvement has large and obvious advances, but the results can also be extremely varied. A popular example of breakthrough improvement is Six Sigma methodology. By the way, the Six Sigma methodology has been explained in a separate video. The link is in the description box below. Please do check it out.
By fostering a culture that embraces change and challenges the status quo, breakthrough process improvement supports operational excellence, ensuring the organization remains agile, efficient, profitable, and resilient in a dynamic business environment.
Apply process improvement tools and techniques to improve productivity, operational excellence, profitability, and resilience.
Take your organization from being good to great. Get in touch with Dr. Shruti Bhat to succeed with your process improvement initiatives.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies, and free white papers.